How to reset your GrantWatch password. In this video, we will be demonstrating the 3 different ways you can change your GrantWatch password. The first way is to reset your password. This method is ideal if you don't remember your password. First, visit the login page, enter your email address, and click the green login button. Then, click the blue hyperlink to the right that says Forgot Password. You have the option to receive a password reset notification by text or by email. Let's demonstrate the text option first. If the phone number listed is a mobile number that receives text messages, you can choose to receive your verification code by text. Standard charges may apply. A 6-digit one-time code will be sent to the number listed. Enter the code in this box and then click the green button that says Verify Number. You will be prompted to enter a new password. Your password must be a minimum of 6 characters in length and is case sensitive. So don't forget to check to see if your caps lock is on and be careful when spelling. Once you are sure of your new password, click the Save Password and Login button. If the phone number listed in your profile is a landline, has an extension, is out of service, incorrect, or you simply no longer have access to the number anymore, you will not be able to receive the verification code by text, and you will need to choose the alternative method of Try Another Way instead. When you select Try Another Way, you will receive the password reset link by email. Enter your email address in the field box and click the Submit button. Please allow up to 15 minutes to receive an automated email. Depending on the email service you use, the email may be sent to your promotions folder, spam folder, or junk folder. If you discover that you have received multiple emails, please use the most recent one, as the older ones will no longer be valid. Click on the hyperlink within the email that reads Reset Your Password. This will open and direct you to a new window on GrantWatch. Enter your preferred new password. To be properly saved, your password needs to be at least 6 characters in length. Your password is also case sensitive, so it matters if you use lowercase or uppercase letters. Once you are confident with your new password, click the Submit button. If successful, you should now be automatically logged in. The second way you can update your password is in your profile settings. This method is ideal if you already know your current password. If you're not already logged into your account, log in. Then, in the top right-hand corner, click on My Account. Select My Account again in the drop-down menu. This will open your My Account dashboard where you can manage your settings. Scroll down beneath your personal information until you see the option Change My Password. Click on the Change My Password hyperlink and first, enter your current password. You will be required to enter your new password twice to ensure there are no mistakes. Check to see if your caps lock is on, as passwords are case sensitive. Your password also needs a minimum of 6 characters in length in order to be updated properly. When you're ready, click the Submit button to save your changes. If your password was successfully updated, you will see a green message that reads, Your changes have been saved. The third and final way you can update your password is to contact our support team. This method is ideal if you are still experiencing difficulties trying to reset your password and the first method has failed. Towards the top of GrantWatch's website page, click on the Customer Support tab. You will be directed to the Contact Us form. Enter your details, explain your issues, and a service representative will reply to your email as soon as possible during business hours. Alternatively, if you see a grant specialist online, you can also use the live chat to speak with a representative in real time. They will be able to manually change your password and ensure you are successfully logged into your account. We hope this video has been helpful to you today. Learn more and discover other videos we have in our GrantWatch tutorial series.